Good morning, student. Student, now we are studying spermatogenesis. Very important topic related to male reproductive system. Student, spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means student development or production of the sperm in testes. And the parallel and opposite process will be oogenesis, student. And both these processes completes in three stages. That is multiplication phase. First phase is multiplication phase, second is growth phase, and third is maturation phase. Student, remember the diagram of the seminiferous tubule where this spermatogenesis occurs. Spermatogenesis occurs, the wall of the seminiferous tubule is called germinal epithelium or primary germ cells. Primary germ cells divide by two mitosis divisions. 2 times by mitosis division to produce many. These are spermatogonia. All these are spermatogonia. Spermatogonium and plural is spermatogonia. Student, all these cells means from one primary germ cell 4 spermatogonia are formed because they develop by mitosis division. So there is no change in the number of chromosome. So this is the multiplication phase because from one 4 are produced. So this is multiplication phase. Now second stage, student, growth phase. Second stage is growth phase. In this phase, you can consider the example of one spermatogonium. It grows in size by developing cytoplasm, more cytoplasm, and this is, student, primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte, isn't it? Now the last stage, student, last step of spermatogenesis is maturation phase. In maturation phase, student, this primary spermatocyte will divide by meiosis first. Meiosis 1, that is the first maturation phase. First maturation phase, and will produce two daughter cells because it is meiosis division in primary spermatocyte. So student, remember very important point, number of chromosome reduces to half. Meiosis means reductional division, so number of chromosome reduces to half. Now student, if this parent cell was primary spermatocyte, this will be secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte, isn't it? Now ultimately this secondary spermatocyte will go for meiosis second, that is the second maturation division. Second maturation division, and student, this will become this cell because it is second maturation division and that is mitosis. So the number of chromosome will be same, XX, and this is called spermatids. This cell is called spermatid. You just observe, student, and just see what is the difference between this spermatid and spermatozoa. Spermatid is without tail. So spermatid go through a process called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis, in which the spermatid loses the circular shape and become little bit elongated, and acrosome develops and tail is observed. Tail is also developed. And now this is not called spermatid, but it is called mature spermatozoa or sperm. Spermatozoa. So these are the three main phases of spermatogenesis: multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. Student, let us recap on. In multiplication phase, primary germ cell divide by 2 mitosis and produce 2 to the 4 daughter cells, and all these are called spermatogonium, and in oogenesis this will be called as oogonium. Remember the parallel word, oogonium. And then the second one is growth phase, student. In growth phase, this spermatogonium will develop into primary spermatocyte, will become little bit larger. And in oogenesis, this primary spermatocyte word will be replaced by primary oocyte. And the consequent processes are same. The division, this primary spermatocyte will divide by first maturation division, because the third stage is maturation phase. So by this word you remember first maturation division. You can say first maturation phase or first maturation division, you can write here first maturation division. And due to this, primary spermatocyte will become secondary spermatocyte, and ultimately secondary spermatocyte after second maturation division, that is the mitosis, will become spermatid, and ultimately this spermatid will go through, finally they will go through spermiogenesis. Very important definition for board exam, spermiogenesis. Student, spermiogenesis means in this the circular outline of the spermatid loses that shape, become little bit elongated, and will develop acrosome and tail. That is called spermiogenesis. And then that is called, this structure is not called spermatid but spermatozoon. And then they are released from seminiferous tubule by a process called spermiation. Isn't it?